welcome to the Popped In channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. I ordered this box here from Funko.com. I wanted to get some of the Wicked minis, so I ordered 6 of the Wicked minis to see which figures I get out of it. I also ordered a mystery pack from the Loungefly, so we'll see what we get there, and 3 of the mystery box of Funko Pops. So let's see what I got. Let me move this box here. Put it in here. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what this is. Alrighty. This is probably from the lounge. Hello Kitty glitter chase pin. If you can see that. Alright. Open and see what it looks like. Oh, it says 50. I don't know if you can see that. Alrighty. Put this on the side. And our next one. No, I don't need the cutter. Arcade display, Star Wars. If you can see that. So we got Luke Skywalker mini, so we can put him in his little, he'll sit in there in his little arcade. Oh, this is my first one that I've got with the arcade. Those are pretty neat. Alrighty. Let's open up some of our minis. Alright. Oh, this one's Fiero. Looks like you can get Alphaba, Glinda, and Bubblegown, Fiero, Madame Marble, Alphaba Diamond, and Glinda and Bubblegown Diamond. So those are the different ones you can get. Okay. So these are neat. Let's hope we can get them all. Alrighty. Let's see what this one is. Alphaba. Alrighty. This is neat. Shows you on the side. Alright. Try not to look at the side because the side tells you what you have. This tape is all over it. It'd be great to get all 6. Oh, Madame Marble. Okay. Okay. Another Madame Marble. Alright. Now, let's take a little break from that. I got 2 more, but let me go ahead and see what they gave me. What mystery Funkos I got. Alrighty. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. Harry Potter Amazon exclusive. Oh, this is cool. Undesirable #1, Harry Potter. Oh, it's in black and white. Oh, this is awesome. I like this. Alrighty. Now, I ordered 3, so does that count as 2? We'll have to look into that. Alright, and Mr. Peanut character, the Electric State. Oh, I don't have any of the Electric State Funkos, so that's interesting. You either get Michelle, Cosmo, Keats, or Herman. But I didn't even watch the Electric State. I do need to try to see that one. But Mr. Peanut character. Okay. And my 2 minis that I have left. Alphaba again. So not the oh wait, it is. It's the diamond. Look at that. Yay. All right. So it's the Alphaba diamond. All right. So I'm excited about that. I'll put this one down, and let's see what this one is. Glinda diamond. Yes, all right. That's exciting. The Glinda and Bubble gown in diamond. So, did get that. Look at this. These are really cool. I don't know if you can see that. So, I'm excited that I got that. I did like Wicked. I did go out there and see it. It's a really good movie. Got all these. Here's the regular Alphaba, and then in diamond. Look how different as that diamond is awesome. Love it. So leave a message down below, any comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and see you next time. Bye now.